La Perla, Sunny Isles Beach. 326 oceanfront units, 43 floors. One question worth asking right out of the gate. Who actually owns this building? And are any of them home? Today, we're running the full data pass. Transaction history, pricing, who's buying, who's been trying to sell for 8.5 years, and where this market stands right now. Stick around. We'll also introduce you to Big Data Realty's expert realtor for La Perla later in the video. Alejandro, set the scene.
Start with this. In Florida, when a property is your primary home, you register it with the state and get a tax benefit. It is called a homestead exemption. At La Perla, only 11.7% of units have that registration. The other 88.3% do not. That means roughly 9 out of 10 owners at this building are somewhere else. Seasonal residents, investors, international buyers, or companies holding units under a business name. Speaking of which, 49 units are owned by legal entities, not individuals. LLCs, trusts, corporations. 20 units belong to owners with Canadian mailing addresses. New York, California, and Illinois lead the domestic out-of-state count. La Perla is an oceanfront tower that happens to have some units for sale. The owners, largely, are not its neighbors. Andrew, give them the numbers.
115 recorded sales since 2015. Median sale price, $860,000. Median price per square foot, $602. That is the baseline. The building peaked in 2022. Median sale price, $1,030,000. 2025 came in at $945,000. That is a drop of 14% in 1 year. Early 2026 looks stronger, but that reading is based on 4 sales. 4 data points is a flicker, not a trend. Every owner pays a monthly building fee, covering the shared costs: pool, security, lobby, and building operations. The median fee is $957 a month, $11,000 a year, before taxes, before insurance, before anything goes wrong. Currently, sellers are asking a median of $1,074,000. Buyers closed last year at a median of $950,000. Sellers apparently have been reading a different data set. Hit subscribe if you want this level of detail on every community we cover. Alejandro, who is actually buying?
2/3 of buyers at La Perla paid cash. No mortgage, no lender, no waiting. The buyers who did finance their purchase waited an average of 133 days to close, nearly twice the overall average for this building. So if you are planning to use financing, budget your patience accordingly. On the seller side, 41% of units that went to market required more than 1 listing episode to sell, and 1 unit on the 15th floor has been listed 6 times over 8.5 years. It is currently expired. At this point, that listing is less a real estate transaction and more a standing appointment. Andrew, where does this market go from here?
Supply. 18 units currently on the market. 10 sold in the last 12 months. At that pace, the current inventory would take 21 months to clear. Standard market balance is 6 months. 21 months means buyers have options and leverage. Across the full sales history, the median final sale price came in 5.9% below original asking. That gap narrowed to 3.8% in early 2026, a positive signal, if 4 sales qualify as a signal. Directional reading for the next 6 months, La Perla looks negotiable. The oceanfront premium is real. The inventory is elevated. Broader conditions, interest rates, the wider economy, could shift either direction. That is the honest answer. We will not pretend otherwise. Alejandro, ask the question.
That is La Perla. Owner profiles, pricing trends, and all. Tell us in the comments which South Florida community you want us to run next, and we will put it in the queue. Vladimir, close it out.
Big Data Realty is a data-driven real estate brokerage covering South Florida. Buyers, sellers, investors, and second home buyers who want the numbers before they make the call. Our partner for La Perla is Elena Stashkova, a realtor with more than 10 years in this market. Elena, over to you.
Hi, I'm Elena, and I work with buyers and investors on a weekly basis. If you're considering buying or selling here, don't hesitate to contact me directly. I'll be working hand in hand with Big Data Realty to take care of all your real estate needs. Vladimir, I'll hand it back to you.
Thank you, Elena. If you are ready to make a move on La Perla or anywhere in Sunny Isles Beach, reach out to Elena directly through the link in the description, or send a note to the Big Data Realty team. Either way, our team is ready to work with you on your deal. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.